This year has been so much fun to be a female athlete and seeing all these other sports just blow up in viewership and popularity. And I really think it's incredible seeing the personalities of these women come forward through their sport. And that's what I believe everyone's kind of gravitating towards is these women play incredible sports and are so incredibly skilled, but then their personalities come out on social media, in their playing field, just how they carry themselves. And it's so fun to keep up with these women. So I'm excited for years to come. I think it's just the beginning for women's sports.
That's been something that's really impressed me, and some of the development in some of our athletes has really almost surprised me, how quickly they've developed just through those two words, hard work, and really putting it in every aspect, not just on the field or in the gym, their nutrition, their recovery, their sleep, their lifestyle changes that they've made has been really impressive.
This has been quite a journey for our team and getting to this point. So I think, enjoying every single moment that comes with it and us putting our best foot forward and kind of showcasing all of the work that we've done over the past 4 years and all the things that we've overcome. Most of all, just enjoying every single minute of it.